There are fears we cannot name, and fears with faces we know too well. We live inside a tailored world, made to make us think we're completely different.
Yet we blur and fade among a million shadows. We are like them, same type, same size, same longings, same way of loving.
I am not wrong,
Yet somehow
I've lost. Where am I now among a million shadows out there?
I only want to hear what I'm familiar with is right. I only want to do what I believe I do better. I look for faded faces shaped like mine,
So we can search and vibrate in every scale.
programmed already by pre-written lines of code.
The strange world is no longer strange. Everything lies flat upon a glowing screen. Convenient thinking when I don't want to think. Convenient doing when I won't use my hands. Conveniently telling me I don't need to eat,
Because I still live on just a few energy pills.
I fear losing every rush second.
So I lose the patience to truly understand another.
I panic when someone comes too close
To the safe zone I locked away long ago. I locked it long ago.
The algorithm calls it a perfect match, and I mistake it for my own ego.
What is personalization? I don't really know. I only tend myself down to every strand of hair. I feel a lack, yet everything seems already in my hands. I stare into the mirror, terrified of my desires. Oh, desires.
I am not wrong,
Yet somehow
I've lost. Where am I now among a million shadows out there?
is there anyone left who still says we? Or are we circling a love of me, I want?
I've forgotten how the other one is called.
Over time their image fades inside the frame.
I didn't break because I loved too little, but because I could no longer endure
Myself, I crave what I don't have, and bargain with what's already in my hands.
Why has the world become so easy now, that people like me, so afraid of being left behind, learn to leave first? till in the end the heart is empty, hands bare.
Loneliness is no longer frightening.
Did we not abandon each other?
Or did we leave a long time ago?
What is personalization? I don't understand. Is it love?
Or simply selfishness?
Or loving too much
but never daring to be together?
Did I choose? Or did I dissolve?